Well, not really here yet.
These kids got us out. Oh, hey. These kids got us out here putting Christmas trees.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the
Yay!
Did Charlotte just hang out the ornament?
Up YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, it's December. The end of 2024. Hope y'all are saying yes, Lord, bring on the new year. As a parent, December and trying to make all things. The way our family's been sick, and I am currently, I don't even know what I have. Like, at this point, you're like, what is this? Is this allergies? Like, I can even open my eyes and record this video. All the kids are dropped off. Well, Shiloh's at home with Daddy. And, Daddy, what? I'm gonna head into Hobby Lobby. Like, we just moved into a new house and we have Christmas decor from like the very beginning of our apartments to just like small space living. So we're not really gonna decorate. I mean, it's decorated, but like I need things, but the budget, you know, like you're not gonna when you need furniture, you're not gonna spend all your money on Christmas decor. Do you know what I'm saying? When someone pulls up in front of me, now I'm gonna pretend I'm on my phone, but like, why? Who cares? Like, I will never see this person in my life. But then again, we live in a small town, so maybe she's like my future best friend. And why is there somebody? Okay, y'all, this is the second day in a row I vlogged something. Someone's parked right next to us.
That's what you do. We have the ideal parking spot, so you gotta expect people's gonna come.
The Costco this morning with the girls, and is that
No boys are here.
No boys.
You're right, there's only a man.
You can't see me? There I am.
Patrick says that we're fading with this winterness.
We are.
Our skin is actually, I need a tan. If the theme of this channel is Jacqueline needs a tan, that would be the theme of this channel. Anyways, we're going to Costco. We're trying to beat these crowds at early in the morning.
It's like everybody's here.
But like, I think Costco opened early.
Either they open early or people just been camping out. Costco must be giving away some for free. But we need to figure it out. Why are all these people there? I don't understand.
I don't know. We're in for a few things because, you know, Costco can get wild and it's December and we need the budget for other things.
Yeah, you know, it's Christmas time. That's what it is. It's Christmas time. Everybody comes to Costco. Let's go.
Let's stay focused, guys. Okay, let's go.
Team on three. 1, 2, 3, go.
Frederick's trying to film a TikTok. And oh, Frederick.
I didn't even know what happened just now. Why didn't it turn around? I don't
Frederick
understand.
is going to film a TikTok while we're in Costco because we are Costco TikTokers.
Let's try this again, guys.
Yeah, I'm like, she's too happy to be out. My hand, oh my hand. And see what's happening. Oh, look at those trees. This guy, y'all, we have not had a TV in our bedroom in about 6 years. But I think it's time again. We've really given ourselves to each other.
So our kids don't sneak out
Yeah, they've been...
and watch football with us.
Exactly. It's like a TV privacy, really.
Yeah. Different seasons call for different measures.
Thank you. Have you ever gotten nauseous from looking at too many screens? That's how I feel like the last week. I'm like, if I look at a screen or a lights, I get nauseous.
I'm used to it.
I have a splinter. I need you to get it out.
That's a splinter for real?
Yes.
No, not. Yes, it is.
No.
Don't move.
Thing we are not gonna forget.
Chicken!
It's chicken. Real reason he came to Costco.
let the season go without me having at least one pom pom pom.
Pom, pom, pom,
Pom, pom, pom, pom, pom.
It's a pomegranate season. Oh, hoop-dee-doo. Hoop-dee-doo. Chicken bake, a slice of cheese pizza, and a chocolate vanilla twist ice cream. Back home, and we are about to get into this chicken bake. Like, have you ever tried a chicken bake from Costco? We tried it last month, and now we've been getting that over the pizza. Well, we did have pizza last night. I think I would have got the pizza, but I had pizza last night. So, put this groceries away. We're gonna get these girls down for a nap. It's on a Friday, so Zane is in school on these days. And Haven, this is the one day she's not in school, so we usually do some kind of outing with them in the morning. But a lot of these outings have been errand outings lately. Hello, Frederick! Oh my gosh. Y'all, he doesn't have the appropriate shirt on, so he's not gonna be in this video.
Yeah.
He's got a swoop neck. Ooh. Ooh. When I said swoop neck, that made me.
Too much skin for the film. Too much skin for the film.
Yes, exactly. Let's see, we didn't do a crazy haul. These for Shiloh. These for all the kids. We got, these are so good. What? I did not even know you got these. The Heavenly Hunks. Frederick really scored in his goodies. Okay.
I didn't know I got those either.
I mean, oh, wow. Definitely not mine either.
Yeah, you're saying it ain't yours, but you sure going to partake of it when it's on that meat that I cook. Barbecue pulled pork, slow cook.
You know you're not
slow
making
cooked
anything but
barbecue chicken.
wings.
Let's go. Who's eating my wings?
These are tried and true. Now these guys, these are the best sausages. The best. They're super clean, no sugar added, and the kids love them. I love them. Trying these for the first time. Fruit Thief. These always tried and true will make taquitos with the rotisserie. You know, you already know. Chicken nuggets. That's right. That's right, Haven. Chicken nugget. And toilet paper and paper towels. What a wild and fun day for you, huh?
Y'all, I could have played football too. Y'all didn't know that. I could have played football. No, I'm good. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Like, are you gonna be okay after this?
Oh, I'm good. Good. So good.
This down, and we're gonna dive into this chicken bake
Chicken
like
bake.
it's never been. So if you never had the chicken bake at Costco, it's like a bacon ranch chicken breaded log.
Show them the inside of that thing. Let them see the inside. Go a little closer. Y'all see them flakes?
Like that doesn't even look appetizing, but
Look at them flakes. Okay. Scale of 1 to 10. What are you thinking?
I'm not really a bread galley. But it's just warm. It's like warm to my soul.
Just like
What do you think?
Just like your all black sweatshirt. No, I like them.
All back sweatshirt.
All black sweatshirt.
Yeah.
Warm your soul. I like it. It's good.
There. What is that? Did we just go take Haven to school? We've got Christmas elf in here wrapping. Good morning, guys. Who knows what day of the vlog this is? This is my take the kids to school outfit. We moved to a new town, a complete new town, guys. We do not live anywhere where we used to live. I don't know one, besides the people that we see, I don't know one human that lives in this town. I mean, obviously I can drive and still see friends, but the point is we are very, very far. So it's like truly starting. Think like Hallmark movie, small town. I would say this is what it feels like. After
Movie small?
you think it's Hallmark movie small?
I think it's more like Netflix movie small.
It's like Netflix movie small. It's like, it screams big city girl moves what this is. It's like country suburb, but also if you just go 1 mile up, you're completely like country until Oklahoma. So
you move and there's no snow.
what?
Usually when you move, it's like you move to like, on those Hallmark movies, they have snow and stuff.
Oh.
And you move and there's still no snow.
Oh,
Yeah, everything else
okay.
is
He
snow.
says it's not a Hallmark movie because there's no snow. But I think we will get snow here. We are still in Texas, guys, if you're ever wondering.
Or are we in Texas?
Or are we?
Are we in Texas?
Are we? Where are we?
Nobody knows.
Patrick just never can just give a straight answer.
Gotta keep them guessing.
Nobody's guessing. Like,
You gotta
who
guess.
is...
We got some good investigators out there, and I'm sure they're investigating and they got the right answer. But
If you know where we live and you don't know us personally, comment below. Okay. While he wraps, I need to go do something with my hair. Look at her cute little outfit. Guys, don't sleep on Walmart. Little set, I think, was like $10 from Walmart. She's drinking her applesauce. This is a time while the kids are... We have a 6-year-old and a 4-year-old. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, sometimes if y'all been following us for so long, I'm like, we started right before we had kids. So, anyways, it's a blessing. Haven's in pre-K for just a few times a week. And then Zane is in 1st grade and she's at home. So, it feels like it's opened up a new season for us. For a while, everybody was at home. And it just, you reach a chapter with having kids, like you get in a rhythm and then the rhythm changes and changes again, and that's how it is. So we're just figuring out, wondering what God has next, and glad you're still here. That's all I'm saying. Glad you're still here. Girl, you look too cute to just be hanging at home.
because Dad picked out her outfit, guys. Wow. Yeah, Dad did that. Style Quan, you know
Quan?
it. Style Quan, whatever it is.
Quan? I don't think it's ever been Quan.
Yeah, it is. It's so hard to see by.
Feather's not letting me be great with my mirror. Look at this beautiful mirror. Like, but just not feeling like we have a space.
So big. We are mirrored up.
We have too many mirrors. Too oak on oak.
Too much wood.
Yeah.
Look, see? It's like, you know?
It's too much wood.
Too much wood. This is white. That'd be different, but you know? Because this is wood too. Wood.
Look at the guys. This is like a. I mean, I found this at Home Goods. It's just so beautiful. Like so beautiful. Oh, you. We'll go a different direction.
I think this is a cool mirror for just on a wall by itself.
I just think it's so fun. But
It gets fire on a wall, in a hall or a room by itself.
fall in a hall in a wall. Take it away, you're not on my phone. He got a mirror on the wall.
See, I'm holding this big heavy mirror.
I got a mirror on the wall.
Honest opinion.
Patrick loves to decorate with me.
Keep it. Let's ask everybody out there. Y'all,
No, by the time they watch this, it will be either gone.
Well, they can know if.
Good morning. It's another morning.
Another one.
Kids are dropped off, and we have decided to come return this mirror.
They know about the mirror?
Remember?
How y'all know about the mirror? I don't even know about the mirror.
Really, you were there when we were telling him about the mirror, and we decided, you know.
It's not right.
So yeah, decorating your home is a process, and I think I jumped the gun on the mirror, and we need other things before that. And the mirror is beautiful, but
It doesn't fit where you wanted it to go.
no, I have a million places I would want it to go.
But yes, we would have a house of mirrors if
We
it
would.
was up to design Jacqueline over here.
Guys, it's true.
Yeah, he's like
You don't
can
want
have
to. You don't want to stare at yourself all day.
There's a certain number of mirrors that there's too much mirrors. That's
Yeah,
all
we do
I-
have one in the entryway, so I don't really
Yeah.
think we need another one in the bathroom and then another one in the hallway. So
Yeah.
we'll save that for another time. Shiloh is ready.
She's ready to go.
She's ready to go. Buc-ee! Okay, we're back home. We're gonna eat a salad.
Some hot chicken I'm putting on this salad. My hands are burning.
Basically, I just make I just make the salad, and then I just make a salad for Frederick, and he just eats it, and like he loves salads.
Tolerates it.
But y'all, if you
it's
like,
good for your body.
if you like the Chick-fil-A, their I think it's their market something salad. This is it. You just get the
You just gotta
Chick-fil-A
get that
dressing.
Chick-fil-A dressing, though. What? You gotta get it. Salad ain't no good without us. What good is a
And-
salad without dressing? I'm just here to eat my salad in this video.
Okay, these chicken nuggets from Costco, and then just cut up some apples, blueberries, and then like a goat cheese or a feta cheese. I did mozzarella today because I was out of that. And you just are living your best health life. Guys, thanks for joining us along on this Christmassy season vlog slash anyways, but we gotta get ready because we gotta go pack because we are going on a little mini trip. We're following Frederick on a mini trip. For his work. The whole
Y'all send
family.
him- y'all
The whole
send some
family's
prayers.
gonna come. So
Have some prayers.
we gotta pack, do all the things.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We're out here in the country. We're about to head
Let's go.
on a mini little road trip, and we're going to take you guys along with us.
Yes. We're hoping for the best. Hoping for the best, guys. You know, we
Frederick
got some
loves traveling with his family.
people be rowdy. Rowdy. Bowdy,
Let's
bowdy.
go, guys.
Let's see.
Hi, guys. Are we ready?
Yes.
Yes. Is it an early morning?
Yes.
Is it a rainy morning?
Funny.
You guys have all the things. Yeah. Okay, guys, we just arrived to, where are we?
Buc-ee's.
Buc-ee's. So we're gonna go in and on our road trip stop. I don't think they've ever been to Buc-ee's.
No, it's their first time Buc-ee's. Probably my second time. All my Texas life, I've only been one time. Because people say, you gotta go to Buc-ee's. And I was like, why?
Wow.
Wow.
So if you are from Texas, I think they have them in other areas, but Buc-ee's it is!
Let's go. The Buc-ee's.
I feel like Buc-ee's has gotten bigger since the last time I came in. Isn't it huge?
Everything has a beaver on it. Everything's a beaver.
Everything is Buc-ee branded. What do you think, Frederick?
Big place.
You ready to get out of here?
Yeah, the homegirl. She loves it. Charlotte loves it. She loves it. All over.
Zane, what is this? What is this called? You have no idea, but you are enjoying it. Haven, what do you have? What are these called?
Beaver chips.
Beaver chips. That's what you chose? Yum.
Just left Buc-ee's. As you can see, I got this barbecue brisket sandwich. This is all that's left of it because I had to eat it all. What you got back there? Some beaver tail teeth thing, chip, beaver chips.
teeth.
I don't know what it is. Beaver chips, they good too. But yeah, you gotta stop at Buc-ee's, get that brisket sandwich.
And I've got
Jacqueline's got a chopped, sliced brisket sandwich. Oh. Y'all know I'm gonna eat that. I'm gonna eat that for her too. Yes, I am. What do you think?
Oh, wow.
Good?
Pretty tasty.
Yeah.
Way to go, Buc-ee's.
Buc-ee's, baby.
Okay, we have arrived. Dad has already left us. We are here in beautiful Austin, Texas. If you're from Austin, shout out. We're here, down here on 2nd and 3rd. I guess that's the area. Not been here. I mean, driven through here and like stopped quickly, but like stayed down here in like 8 years. So now I'm back with all 3 of my children. And we actually stayed right here at the Four Seasons, right when we got married for a little Christmas rendezvous. So we're gonna walk actually back in there probably tomorrow, just for nostalgia. Anyways, Frederick has work to do. He has left the premises and now it's the afternoon and I'm gonna take them to go get coffee, because that's for me. I'm gonna do a mom thing and just see what's out and about. I'm walking down an alley in Austin so I can get these tacos that I saw about. If you know, you know, tell me. Tell me if this is gonna be good. Guys, I got the goods. Cereal in bed? Okay, guys. Y'all. Okay, I got carne asada and I got their pastor. So, here we go. Because you have kids, none of this is hot, so I'm sure it was even better hot. Oh my. Wow. Y'all gotta go. Just go. I got that. And the chips and guac. Just do it. Just go in the alleyway and get you some tacos. Sitting in the bathroom eating my guac. Because my kids are asleep and they hear me crunch on these chips. It's over. Good morning. We are out walking on 2nd Street in Austin, and I'm in search of coffee. What else is new? These cats were moving their legs. Oh, he's not a cat, but we're moving these legs. We got Shiloh. It's a beautiful day. Look who it is! It's Santa! Hey guys, are we in Austin? We're touring the city. There's Shiloh. Getting our morning walk, morning coffee on, right? Y'all are getting leaves. Yeah. All right. Ooh, that hot. There's a fire behind. There's a fire in your head. In this journey by myself with 3 kids in Austin, you know, I don't have time to think about some great bougie spot. We're just gonna hit up the In-N-Out, right?
Yay!
Yes. We did it. 5 people, 1 room. We did it. If you're a new mom, Still, this is 6 years going strong with this stroller. And the reason is how much it can carry below. So I can get Airbay out of here with the suitcases and the bags.
Christmas under the fireplace.
Can I open that?
I got my coffee. It's a beautiful morning. Chilly. We got the fire going. Hope you guys are having an What are we doing, Shiloh?
Yeah.
What'd you get? Some pizza?
I don't know how to play that one.
There's Frederick and his
Christmas attire.
Christmas sweater. All right. Well, howdy there, straight from Alaska. Just kidding. It's somebody thought that was funny.
Hey, you got
Shiloh did.
Hayden, you got to do it.
Guys, it snowed in Texas. Like real snow. You gotta crunch down.
Oh,
we gotta
get out there.
We gotta get out there. Guys,
Before
Happy
it
New
melts.
Year 2025. Like 8 days in and it has snowed.
It's probably melted because it's, don't last long, so we got to get it.
Who didn't believe them? Okay, we're getting the snow angel, guys. We're getting out there in the snow.
Come on, Shiloh.
All our neighbors are out there. It's a big party.
Give me the phone.
Many of these neighbors we have not met. And so what better way to go out there and just be neighborly in the snow, right? And this is the first time all of you guys have seen snow like this, right?
Yes. Let's open the door.
Right?
Yeah, first time.
Shiloh,
These
is
guys
this
are
your
so
first snow?
Can we open it?
No,
Ah!
I'm so excited.
Yeah, so excited.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this.
Let's just go by step.
Go.
It's like, go Zane.
Frederick, do you approve? Oh! Let's go.
Doesn't matter